Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, the last time I uploaded the video of like 1000 RTs in 4 minutes, but this time we'll use different extension called Superpower Twitter. Much better than that one. Okay, so for this we will log in our Twitter account in Kiwi browser, Google Superpower Twitter. First link, download it here. And then, so we'll go to extensions. We download the CRX file. So from zip CRX, this one. Ignore this error thing, okay? So extension option to we'll change the timing super fast likes to three. Okay, so retweet, yeah, this one. The all procedure is same like before, and we'll go to Twitter now, and Twitter, so we will check first with the hashtag. Okay, we'll put like hashtag like this, रात का है हम और आप साथ RT. Once you are done, like 50 RT retweet done, then you have to refresh it for the new one, like all. That's why we put the time like 002 seconds, so it's super fast. Now we will try with this one, those who are in the like RT or favorite groups, so we will go there. We can retweet from profile even. That's why I said it's much better than that one, because from previous extension we can't do RT from the profile, we can't do like even. Okay, so thank you so much, and please do subscribe, and if you have any question like or any suggestion, please do comment. Thank you.